Hello friends, welcome back to Lightning Sessions. In this particular session, I will explain Lightning Aura components attributes. So first we will see what is component attributes. So attribute is a member variable in our regular coding. Like when declare the variables in Apex and JavaScript, other programming language, how we will declare same way here we can call it as attributes. Attributes and components are like instance variables in the objects. In a simple words, attributes are used to store information to be referenced and used in our Lightning component code. So attributes enable you to make components more dynamic. So how to use attributes? So here aura colon attribute. So this is the tag to add an attribute in the component or any application. So now we'll see how to add or declare attributes in Lightning component or application. So this is the syntax. So first we have to declare the component tag. So aura colon component. So here attribute name, type, default and description. So by using these things we can declare the attributes. So if you see about this attribute, name is employee name and it is a type, a string type. I am passing the string type, and we are giving a default value as a name. So attributes are always declared with a aura namespace. In the attribute creation, attribute name and attribute type is mandatory properties. So these two things we have to declare compulsory. So it's a mandatory properties. Apart from the name, type, default and description, we have some more attributes and properties. I will explain in the next slide. So what are the properties? As I told, these two are the mandatory properties for the attributes. So one is name and one is a type. So name of the attribute and type of the information to be stored. So type, why we will use? So what type of attribute it is? It is a string, integer, right? So data type. And default value of an attribute. And other properties, access, required and description. So access, what it will do, it indicates whether the attribute can be used outside of its own namespace. Possible values for this property is public, global, private. And required, it is required or not. The possible values are true and false. Description, summary of an attribute and it is a uses. So friends, these are the attribute properties: name, type, default, access, required, description. Now we'll see how to access aura attributes. So we must use value providers. Value provider is a just syntax to access aura attributes to Lightning component code. So this is the syntax: v dot attribute name. So this is the syntax to access the aura attributes. So v gives a control to access the component attributes. So here I created one component, employee info component, and same thing we will access in the application. So here if you see, I am using three attributes. Aura attribute, name employee name, type equal to string type I am passing, default is JSON. This is what the default one. And aura attribute name employee age, emp age, type integer, default is 40 I am passing. Attribute name address, type string, default US. And if you see different paragraphs I created to access these attributes by using the expression. So it's a value provider. Right, here how I am calling this one. If you see employee name, name of the employee is v dot employee name, v dot employee age, v dot employee address. Same thing we will see in the application. So how to access this component in the application? So this is the syntax. So this is the R application. As usual, C is the namespace, C colon employee info CMP. So employee info CMP is my component. So here also same thing. So same thing we will see in the application. So I'll execute in the application. We'll see the output. Let's log into trial application. So trial account. So here is the setup symbol. As usual, we have a developer console. Click on developer console. Now in this I have created my component and application. So here just to open the lightning resource. If you want to create a new component, so you have to select new and click on lightning component. And if you want to create an application, click on new and click on application, right, lightning application. So I already created for the demo purpose. So open lightning resource, click on open lightning resource. So here I created already component and application, right. Select first component, we will see the code. So this is the component code. So here is my example. These are the attributes. So name, type, default. I'm passing the some default values, John, and age 40, address US. So here I'm accessing by using the expressions. So here also same thing, v dot employee name, v dot employee age, and v dot employee address. This is my component. Now I will open the application. So open lightning resource, select employee info application, click on OK. So now application is opening. So select the application, just call your employee info CMP component, right. So click on preview, so you can get the results. So right, name of the employee is John, employee age is 40, and employee address is US. Right, this is the way we have to call use the attributes in the lightning components. Thank you friends. If you like this information, please subscribe CCV Knowledge Hub YouTube channel. Thank you so much.